SignalQual applies advanced datasets to deliver highly accurate clutter information. Ground terrain and clutter data are modeled with 10-meter resolution, while buildings are resolved at 2-foot dimensions for length, width, height, and placement. Beyond buildings, clutter categories include tree cover, shrubland, grassland, and more, each with default height settings. If you're not using the default settings provided by SignalQual, you'll have to create a new clutter profile. To adjust clutter data, navigate to the Network Settings tab and select Clutter Settings, then fill out the required fields. Be sure to include a unique name in order to save any changes you make. Note that the build-up category now represents only roads and parking lots, as buildings are included in a separate database. RSI recommends setting the default height for built-up to 0. Your tree height should also only be about 75 to 80% of the actual height of the typical trees in your area, as the treetops are typically sparse and still allow for a clear signal. Once you're done adjusting your settings, click Save. You can also add other clutter profiles by clicking the green plus icon, allowing you to define different clutter heights for various vegetation types within the same network, providing even more granular customization. By refining your clutter settings and AP data, SignalQual helps ensure accurate predictions and improved network performance.